Hello, superwomen. Do you ever feel like you're eating everything right but not getting enough protein? I have an interesting trick for you today. It's my favorite high-protein sandwich recipe that will blow your mind. Let's be honest, finding healthy and delicious meals can be difficult, right? That's why I'm excited to share this basic wrap foundation that I've been obsessed with. This is the recipe you need whether you're working out or just want to eat healthier. First, let's gather our things. We'll need 2 cups of fresh spinach, because getting in those greens is always a plus. Add 3 whole eggs for extra protein. Did you know that each egg contains around 6 grams of protein? They are like nature's tiny protein treasures. Now this is where magic happens. Warm your pan to medium heat. We don't want to rush this, okay? Pour in the spinach egg mixture after a quick spray of cooking oil. Spread it evenly, cover it, and let it cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. This is where the fun begins. Once your sandwich is dry, it's time to get creative. For extra protein, I like to add grilled chicken, a slice of creamy avocado, and any vegetables I have in the fridge. What have you placed on yours? Seriously, try this protein-packed wrap foundation and you'll be hooked. It's a complete revolutionary for dinner preparation. Every Sunday, I make a batch, which simplifies my weekday meals. Are you ready to step up your health game? Come visit me at hershapeup.com, where I share my favorite recipes and tips. And if you enjoyed this video, follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I'm always sharing quick ideas and recipe hacks you'll like. See you in the kitchen.